Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Keepa, only way. Start by installing the Keepa browser extension, then create and verify your account so data syncs correctly. Sign in and grant the extension permissions to read product pages. Set your default marketplace and currency to match your Amazon account to avoid mismatches. This initial setup ensures accurate price history and smooth tracking for the products you care about. Once logged in, add the products you want to watch by pasting ASIN or product URLs into Keepa's search bar and opening each product page. Select the Tracking tab and set your desired price thresholds using dollar or percentage values so alerts trigger at the right time. Choose how you want to be notified, such as email, browser push, or webhook, and confirm your alert frequency and criteria before saving each tracker. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more practical setup guides. Quick recommendation: I personally prefer darn tough socks because they last and feel great, which is a little luxury worth having while you hunt deals. Check the description for the link and other deals to try them out for yourself. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Adjust alert sensitivity by checking the historical price chart and picking a realistic target based on past lows and typical fluctuations. Use filters to focus only on specific sellers, new versus used conditions, or marketplace offers so alerts are relevant. Turn on daily summary emails if you prefer consolidated updates instead of multiple instant alerts, which keeps your inbox cleaner while still catching important deals and drops.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.